Welcome to this video showing you how to move your Notcoin to any exchange at all. Right, if you are new to this channel, ensure you subscribe for more updates like this. So let's get to business. Go to our Telegram page. Alright, so when you come to your Telegram page, go to your Notcoin bot. Alright, so we are here already. Come down, then click on this check result. Your own might be open, mine is check result because I've opened before. So click on it. Alright, it will bring you to this place. If yours is open, it means you are coming here for the first time, so you are not going to see this pop up directly. You are going to see different lineup of stuff for you to read through. Just tap until you get to the point where they are showing you the amount of Notcoin you have, and then you see this option shows up for you. Okay, so once you get here, the next thing to do is to connect your wallet. All right, so you see down here where you write connect wallet, so you click on it to connect. Now I'll be connecting on Telegram directly, so I'll use this wallet in Telegram to connect. So let's connect. All right, so this right, then you click on connect wallet, click on it. All right, it will show you that mark. It means it has been connected successfully. So now we want to move it to our exchange. All right, remember it is on your exchange that you can sell off these coins. That is why you need to move it, and you have to move it before tomorrow so that you will not lose your Notcoin. All right, so quickly use this arrow button here, this arrow button at this side here. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to come to this place for you. So they are telling you to either send to your exchange or you leave it, you send to your Telegram wallet. So we are going to be moving it now to our exchange. You can use any exchange of your choice. You can use Binance, you can use Bybit, you can use OKX. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to use Bybit for you so that you can easily sell off when it's listed. All right, so let's click on this part, exchange. Once you click on it and it's selected like this, you come down below, you are going to see continue. You click on it, and they are showing you the three exchange you can send to: Binance, OKX, and Bybit. Now the process for each and every one of them is the same. All right, so let me use Bybit, and I'll click send. All right, so they said, do you have a Bybit account? Yes. All right, if you don't have a Bybit account, underneath this video there will be a link for you to create one, so that you don't need to go through all the whole stress of doing this. All right, or following this process, because it might be very stressful. So just pause, go back, and then register on Bybit, verify it, and then you come back to do this as fast as you can. All right, so let's go on for those who already have Bybit. If you have OKX, you can use the OKX also. Remember, the process are the same. So I'll click yes, I have it, because I already have a Bybit account. All right, so this is it. Now they'll give you space for deposit address, and they'll give you space for memo. These are two very important details that you must not joke with. If you miss any of these address, you are likely to miss your Notcoin when it is listed. So I'll go and get my deposit address and my memo from my Bybit app now. So let's minimize. I'll go to Bybit now. All right, this is my Bybit account. Okay, so this Bybit is verified. Please don't use any exchange or any account that is not verified. Mine is already verified, that's why I'm using it. Okay, so all I need, remember, is my deposit address as well as the memo. So quickly, I'll come to this place where you see assets. I'll click on this asset. So I click on it, it will bring me up to this place. For some exchange, you may not need to click for assets. You are going to find deposit on the first page you open. But for Bybit, we'll click assets, and then we'll come here where you see deposit. You click on the deposit. When you click on the deposit, it will bring you here. Then you click on deposit crypto. You click on it, and then you search for the coin you want to deposit. In this case, we are depositing Notcoin. So I'll just come here for ease. Click here. and then I'll put not. All right, so this is it here, Notcoin. Click on it. All right, so it's done. Now when you click on it, okay, you're going to see what you need. All right, your exchange address, deposit address is the first one here, this long one, and then your memo is the number. All right, now for some exchanges, you're going to see here as address. Here you're going to see it written as memo, while for some other exchange you're going to see it written as what you call comment. It's still the same thing. All right, so I'm going to copy both of them now. Copy this and copy this also. So all we need to do now is to go back to our Telegram. All right, remember this is where we stopped before we went to get deposit address and memo. So I'll put my deposit address here. All right, I'll paste it here. Okay, so just all you need to do just to click and paste. Then for this one, which is the memo, I'll go back again and get the memo. Yes. Then I'll come here, click, hold, paste. All right, so I have the link, the address, and the memo. Then you click on keep going. Now they said check. They are trying to tell you to verify. So this is it. All right. You may lose your token if this data is incorrect or your account is blocked. All right, and that's why you must use a verified account. Look at the second instruction here. Exchange required to verify your identity before trading. All right, so this is okay for me. I will now click here. It looks good. All right, this will display for you, and then you now click confirm. All right, this is it. Done. Nice. That's all. Right, it's now 0 and it's showing me withdrawing this the amount. All right, so that's how to go about it. Once it is officially launched on the 16th, you are eligible to sell off or to hold, and then allow it to rise. The choice is yours. See you in the next video. Bye bye.